we have a new segment that I'm going to coin Say It or Explain It. It's a little quiz that I just made up, and we're going to test Katie to see if she really knows what she's talking about. All right, Katie, I'm going to throw out some points terms, and you
Okay.
have 5 seconds
Okay.
to explain it like you're talking to a first timer. Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
I'm born ready. Let's go.
All right. First one, sweet spot.
Oh, sweet spot is a booking that gives you way more value than usual, and it's sometimes the best part of a particular program, like booking Japan business class for 60,000 points.
Okay. Good. What about hookah?
Hookah or hookah. I mean, depends on how you want to say it. HUCA, you will see this, and it stands for hang up, call again. And it simply refers to the fact that when you are calling customer service, you might get someone who either does not know what they're talking about or is having a really bad day. So if the outcome is not what you want, hang up, call again, and see if the next agent can be a better fit for you.
Good one. Okay, you're 2 for 2. Here's an easy one. Transfer partner.
Oh, okay. I know that one. It's airline and hotels that you can transfer your transferable points to. So like Amex, Citi, Chase, Capital One, they're transferable points, and you can transfer those to airline and hotel partners.
Okay. Here's a little bit harder one. Dynamic pricing.
Ooh, so that's when the pricing changes based on lots of factors, including demand, when a program does not have an award chart anymore. And that's usually not amazing, but occasionally it can be good, and you can find a little sweet spot.
Okay, now you're just showing off. All right, last one, devaluation.
No one wants a devaluation. That is when a program makes your points worth less, and no one wants that. And it is a sad, sad day, but it happens, and that's why we earn a burn.
Yes. Okay. You passed with flying colors, Katie, as expected.
Thank you. I'll be here all day.